welcome to How I Spent the Apocalypse. I have no idea what you're looking at right now. And I still can't do. Okay, so see the foam there where it came out beside the air conditioner. Okay, so this is what I'm going to try to do. So I can't really, because of the shape there, see? I can't get a knife in there to cut that off. So how am I going to get rid of it? Well, my idea, one of those things, you know, you come up with, was to use a fork. Because it'll cut into it and tear it away.
And looks like it works.
And it works really well. So it's an experimental thing. You're welcome now to later on. That's coming apart, but that's okay. Okay. Because it's getting painted, that's why I don't even know if I'm pointing at the right place. Lynn will have to look and say, well, this is what she did. I can't see because the sun is right on it. Okay, there, that's a good spot. Okay, you can see I'm just taking it, I'm using the fork to cut into it basically, just, you know, and then pulling it away. And I'm not going to do a really good job, I'm just going to get it out of the fins is what I'm trying to do. Because see where it's on the fins? I don't want it on the fins. It needs to get air. So I'm just going to dig it away.
Okay, let me have it. I think you're filming the side of the house
Okay, well, here you go.
It's hard for her to do that and show you what she's doing. And of course, I can't get up there.
No, I'm not a good film person.
She's on the ladder. She did a great job with the cheese.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
Oh, see, there you go. Ah, that was my big moment, the cheese. But yeah, see, so I'm just using the fork. So that, because I can't get a serrated edge knife in here to cut, I'm just using the fork to get rid of this extra foam.
So
well, why do I have extra foam? Because if you've ever used this shit, you know that's what happens.
Yes.
If you put enough in, then you have extra foam. Okay, so where I drilled the hole, plenty of room, it's dripping out.
Right.
But it's close.
Watch your head.
And I have a trim board to put in. So this is an invention I actually made a long time ago that works really well. It's a piece of PVC pipe. I basically put it in my miter saw. And you can do this by hand, or you can stupidly do it like I did with the electric and, you know, worry about your fingers. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a bead of liquid nails, because this is very lightweight. Watch, it won't work this time. Worked perfectly last time. This time it won't work because you guys are watching.
Of course.
And then I'll blame you because you're watching. Okay, so what you're going to do is going to go...
But please watch.
Go around the edge. Ever so slowly there you go. And I'm sure you could use another kind of glue too. I just like to use liquid nails because it'll actually hold. I don't have to put a prop or anything.
Well, when you have it and you use it all the time. And
yeah, I'll use this for 15 projects after this, putting the trim boards on and everything else. Because like I said, I have trim boards put on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is situate that so that it's around my hole. That sounds bad.
Yes, it
there
does.
There you go. It's around my hole. What can I say? It's around my hole. Okay, but I also have to be careful because the glue now wants to get up in my damn hole.
Yeah.
And I don't want that. I don't want glue in my hole. Nobody should want glue in their hole. So I've got to get the glue off. I don't want it around the hole. I want it around the hole, but not in the hole. And it's still in my hole. Damn it. This may not work here. So this may have been a bad thing. And if it is, we'll delete this entire section and you'll never know.
That's right.
If I can't make it work, we'll just delete the whole section and we'll never know that I did something that didn't work.
We've never done that before.
We've actually come back and said, look, this didn't work with it.
Yes, that's right. That's exactly.
Ah, that's perfect. Okay. Now, so what should happen now, get a little more, I will, and it's not going to stay, because of course I said it would. But there you go. That'll happen. You say something will work, it won't.
There, now it's actually flat on the thing, I think.
No, it's not. Oh, it's not. There's a leg on the fucking...
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Anything to make it difficult.
Yeah, anything to make it not work. So I'm going to have to get something to hold it up with, probably.
And you want me to go get, what, some tape or something?
I don't know. Yeah, tape might work. We could tape it in place.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm turning off.
Okay, so it wouldn't hold itself because it wasn't laying flat because there's a leg
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
on this stupid thing. So it didn't work the way it normally did. So it was holding in the back because it's leaned against the back there.
Right.
And so I just had Lynn rip me off a little 6-inch piece of duct tape. And I put it on the front corner and then put it up. And it's more than enough because the liquid nails is mostly holding it, even if though it doesn't have a good seat.
Right.
So it's working.
And when it dries, it'll be good. Now,
When it
watch
dries, we'll
your
take the
hand.
tape off of it,
Yeah.
and it should
I'll come
dry.
back and shoot it when it's cleared and dripping water.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah, it should work. Just let me make sure my hole's still.
Yeah,
Let
it
me make
is.
sure my hole is still clear. It is.
It is.
And I still have to move this and go over there and get up there. And,
Of course, do all kinds of other things.
Yeah. So that was your little trip down. Oh, that wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be.
Lane. Yeah. Well,
But it normally works really well, and it'll work even though you have to do what I just had to do.
Right.
It'll still work. And what it'll do is it'll carry the water further away from the side of the house.
right, because she's worried that it might hit when she puts the
Well,
trim, that it might hit.
It should clear the trim, but it's going to barely clear the trim.
Right.
Which means if you've got any kind of wind or all, it's going to smack it against
Right.
the house and behind the trim,
Not cool.
which is not cool at all.
No. Okay, then I'll come back when that's done.